Hello all, I'm trying to find a Bluetooth module which is a low cost and at least supports 5.0 if preferable 5.2. So I'm just doing a little search to get to know what are the various Bluetooth modules that gets covered in this range. So for this I'm using the DigiKey website. So first of all I want this to be active, right? And so that's where a lot of the things get filtered, and then we only want a Bluetooth. Okay, so let us take the Bluetooth module, and in this Bluetooth we wanted anything above 5.0. Okay, so we are trying to consider 5.0 here. So again there are more things that are filtered, right? Now once we see here, so the wireless MCUs are the trending ones in the market, right? You don't want to use a additional MCU in your product along with the wireless chip, right? So we want the microcontroller and the RF to be integrated, which we call the wireless MCU, which basically has TX, RX plus MCU. So we want this, correct? So when you apply, and again, if we see here, we have data rates, power outputs. So for now, let us assume we are satisfied with what we have here. And if, okay, if we try to see, and one more filtering that we can do here is basically the package, definitely, but for now we will try to leave it here. Okay, and let us try to filter this with the price. Okay, so if we see in terms of INR, we are seeing here EFR32 BG22, the Blue Gecko BG22 from Silicon Labs looks to be the lowest cost wireless MCU in the lower price range. Now, another 52805 definitely competes with this and also has superior spec of high power output, whereas the FR32BG22, which we are seeing here, a low cost one is a 0 dBm. So looks like EFR32 BG22 series chipsets are one of the lowest cost Bluetooth 5.2 options which can be used for your products. And if we see the range of companies that are there in this 5.0, 5.1 and 5.2 criteria, we have Cypress, Infineon, Inplay, Microchip, Nordic, NXP, OnSemi, Qualcomm, Renesas, Silicon Labs, ST Micro and Texas. Looks like Silicon Labs is definitely leading the race here in the BLE. And definitely, if you see this, there is a very close competition from Nordic as well. But Silicon Labs leads the race here.